Hi, it's Lilu and her friends, the Fluffies. I'm a European Tricolor cat who loves funny dialogues with other cute animals. There are swans, seagulls, rabbits, and my friends, cheetahs, peacocks, dogs, mandarins, and even Shaun the Sheep, and many more. Personally, I love traveling with my mom and dad, taking long sunbaths, going for a walk, eating delicious food, playing with unusual toys, and especially sleeping in weird positions. And of course, having fun is my favorite routine. Subscribe, there will be a lot of fun.